I don't know why everybody's making banana bread all of a sudden, but I'm gonna do it today. So these bananas are super duper ripe, obviously. All right, I'm gonna preheat the oven to 350. Done. Next, I'm gonna get 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Okay, 2 cups all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon baking soda. That's done. Next is 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. I love salt, so I'm just gonna do a little bit more. All right, guys, we're doing really good here. We're almost done with the dry ingredients. Oh my God, we are done. We're already done with the dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, we are going to cream the butter and the brown sugar. Let me do it over this so I don't make a GD mess. You know what? Oh, okay. That's just enough. All right, 3/4 cup. 1 stick of butter. That's pretty much melted by now. Guys, creaming it. Oh, shoot. Got butter on my crotch. We're gonna get 2 eggs. I'm gonna beat them. I find if you crack eggs on like a flat surface, gives you less chance for shell. Dang. Ugh. Beaten eggs in to our creamed mixture. I like my bread a little moist, so look at these. These are just beautiful for this. There's no vanilla extract in this recipe that I found, so I'm gonna definitely put some in there. Perfect. Just like a teaspoon of vanilla extract because why not? A little nutmeg, a little cinnamon. Add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients slowly. Adding our dry into the wet, little by little. Ooh, I like this song. Hope I don't get copyrighted for this. All right, here goes the rest of our dry. The silicone one. And I'm going to use this really good coconut oil spray. All right, I'm just gonna go for it. Just add them all. Why not? Oh my God. We're gonna have to do these in batches. There you go, fill them about 2/3 of the way, because they will rise like Jesus. Unless you like a big muffin top, then you can fill them up. Beautiful, flaccid. So I'm just gonna try like, I don't know, maybe 30 minutes, I'll do that first. Pop these bitches in the oven. And set a timer. Yeah, I'll do 30 minutes. And of course, do the old toothpick trick. Insert it. If it comes out clean, don't yank it out. Just kind of slowly take it out. If it comes out clean, then they're ready. Okay. and keep the oven shut, please. All right, so I took them out in around 27 minutes, and they are perfect. Clean enough for me. Woo! I'm so excited. Oh yeah. Look at all those chocolate chips. That's hot. Careful. Oh my God. This looks so good. All right, let's taste it. It's gonna burn my mouth, I don't care. Oh my God. So much better than the first ones I made. If you watch the whole thing, comment down below, extra chips. All right, bye.